Hello friends, this is Jeff again with Ability Lock and Key. I've got a customer locked out of their Dodge truck right here. I'm not sure why, but a lot of locksmiths would use an airbag, wedge the door to get in. When you have a leashy tool, it's so much easier and less invasive. So we will pick this lock. Especially with tinted windows, this can be a much simpler method to use. But we picked it to the lock position, so I have to pick it again. We'll go through that again. Pearl's got the camera on my shoulder. And just like John Denver, I got sunshine on my shoulder. Right now it's not making me happy, it's making me hot. Back to there. There it is. And we are in.
All right.
Remember friends, you can't change the past, so live for today and plan for tomorrow.